For Onitsha, they say that governor of Anambra State, wey be Soludo, is the Hintos are looting people's property. No be small thing, no. They say they destroy people property for inside that Onitsha side. I don't know the reason why. Waiting those people do. Where the woman they beg them to live in goods and they refuse and pack that woman goods. As that one they happen, one of our brother don't come outside. Talk say me they know they talk say Dangote get money. He said money where Dangote get. Say that money na federal money Dangote get. No be small thing, no. They say that Mataya Kezak has been released as he dey hot. As he dey red though. Okay, my people, let's go find out how this thing take happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebeni Kwezioku. And if you not say now your first day, may you quickly go give the channel a follow and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for a quick update as it dey hot. We are here to update you back to back update. Now here we do, they bring up update, no they finish for our table. Okay, my people, let's quickly go and look into the matter where we get for our hand today. They say one woman don't cry out, say Soludo, people where you said work, they destroy their property for inside Onitsha. Their goods, the Biafra's goods have been destroyed by Soludo, the people where in the send. As they loot that woman goods for their woman, they cry, say may they live in goods. As now they do this thing now, what you want me that woman go they do as it be. Oh, government, what you na they do to na people who are the governor. It no good though. People they cry every day. They call on a art. When I go enter on a table, they eat, they jolly. You guys they take do things. The one that they do them sometimes. It go be like saying a battle on a day too. But however, we'll go watch the video. We'll see what thing happen for the video before we come back. Come proceed.
Go Soludo Is. Go to Ghana. Go young man. Upper time. Go 3 months. You have no road. It's not from my toilet.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back as I watched that video. In this video, I'm going to talk one thing right now. You know the reason why all these things where they happen to Ndibo and they talk come back. Nobody want here. They no go come back. And nothing go change. They no go even shift. Like say, those people no go shift at all. They no go shift. You know the reason why? If you have that voice for inside that place, oh boy, there's people there where those people are doing that thing. Are you telling me that shop, all those shops don't have union where they will come outside? Say, okay, you want her to pack? Let us pack her goods. Don't destroy the goods. But everybody will stand on its own watching because it's not your own. Because of that reason, they stand by and be watching what is happening. So, in Igbo language, they say that onye rubedo na nke ya dịka ogoderu na nke onye ọzọ. You understand? So, those people where they happen now, that they destroy their things all over for Igbo land, for North, for Lagos. Other people, they union, other people they are watching them until it happen to that person before he go come meet them. Oh, how we go take shift to? That is the life our people are currently living. So as you can see, what Soludo they do people when they governor for Anambra. This one they happen for Onitsha, for Anambra, and thank God say person there they capture wetin dey happen for that place. And this have been going on the way they loot people. Anambra turned to Lagos? Only in Lagos I'm seeing this kind of a thing. When did Anambra have turned to Lagos like this? Is it the road, the money you will use to build roads, make Anambra beautiful? Is it this way, Soludo, you are going to get the money? When you are speaking where you never become governor, people think that, oh, yes, this man is going to transform Anambra to America, but you are there, zero, nothing. Zero, absolutely zero. You and the governor of Imo State, all of them are there, the zero. Ndanda na-ele anya bụzi ndị na-ada ada. Be smart, you know. As that one they happen, let's quickly jump into this. Our brother Matthias don't call us people where they write say Dangote get money. Say if you hear am for the amount again, in fact, you go give them a bono. He said that Dangote no get shishi. Say na money where our people they thief for government. Now they take they push Dangote. If Dangote get money, why never making people rich or help as other people they come, they help their own people? Say now for their Namajiri, beggars, na many put. We'll go show you the video, may you watch before we come back and proceed.
Every time they come to my comment section to say, Hausa get Dangote, Yoruba get $100, which people Igbo people have? The Nigerian citizens have not been able to differentiate between my own and our own. There is nobody in Norway, Switzerland, Denmark, even Poland combined together that is as rich as Dangote. But there is nobody that is poor in that country. Go and check. Poverty rate in those countries is 0. But see people that are shouting they have Dangote, see how poverty is messing up with the society. 74% poverty rate in the north. 46% poverty rate in the west. 5% poverty rate in the east. If they are saying the Igbo does not have a billionaire, Igbo does not have a rich man, what will be the fate of Edo people, Ijo people, Efik, TV and Idoma, those minority tribes? What will be our fate? But are we poor? No. Check the people that are suffering in this country. It is ravaging in the north. Have you asked yourself, why is it that with all the money Dangote has, he's not doing philanthropy? He doesn't care about the people of the north. Because Dangote no being get the money. He's not the rich man. Dangote is just a face of the owners of the country. People who doesn't like competition, and who like to suppress the opposition, who like monopoly, who doesn't pay tax on the money generated from their company, who will collect funds from CBN and pay lesser amount of interest, even 0 interest. If Dangote is the true owner, he can't be such a wicked person that he can't show the people lavishing in poverty in the north, he will not help them. Not be Dangote money. Now wicked politicians that are putting money in Dangote and you people are shouting Dangote has money, Dangote has money. Ask yourself, why is Dangote not doing philanthropy? Why is he not helping the people in the north? These are wicked politicians. That's why I said it is not an Yoruba man or an Hausa man or a Fulani that is controlling Nigeria. Any tribe or religion that is saying that we they control Nigeria, you are just living in a full paradise. The people controlling this country is just few people. They are not even up to 1,000 of them. They are not up to 1,000 of them. Selfish, greed, and dishonest set of people. But they will make you think that they say an Hausa man will be, now we they control the country. And you are living in the full paradise, glamoring, shouting, now we they control. What do you have? It's high time you wake up from the slumber. If not for what is happening between Dangote and Boa Cement,
Ibeto has been crying all this while. People were looking at it that Igbo man is always complaining, victim mentality. Now it has opened people's bonbon because now between Hausa and Hausa now, the eye don't clear. Say this Dangote is a monopolist. It doesn't like competition. Once there's a competition, the economy will grow. The man hijack everything.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, and I don't hear them. The waiting this our brother do then are simple mathematics. Just check them. No home, no family for Igbo land today where we say they no get this person now stand for them. The family in Igbo land are moving faster. The problem we have is all those people who say they are their leaders. That's their problem. The people don't even care what the government will do for them. Southeast is moving by our hard labors. And when they finish it, one person will come and point to her, say, this is a ESN. They will not burn their sweat. You think people will be happy? Clapping for you people. When I don't hear them, for this our brother, don't go there no get shishi. If you get money, making use of now helping brothers, help alamajiris, help people with the street for not there. My people, I beg me share this video. What we're asking for is the unconditional release of Mazin and the Carlo and give us date for the referendum. Or may on move on for our body. May the Biafra people get their own freedom. Share the video and make sure say they follow this page as it they hot.